Flip it out.
Would you? Oh my god, it's like crack.
Oh.
There she goes. No, I'm afraid.
Come back.
I like how this doesn't faze them at all. I can just be like. God! I hate it when she goes behind me.
Did she just go in my school bag?
Or she tried to.
Oh my god! Oh. It's like poltergeist. Oh! That!
A sneeze. Oh!
Hey!
Oh! Molly.
Sir,
acting like
sir,
you're in prison.
sir.